Hello students, today's presentation is negotiation. So let us discuss the meaning of negotiation. Negotiation is a method by which people settle difference. It is a process by which compromise or argument is reached while avoiding arguments and disputes. ನೆಗೋಷಿಯೇಷನ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಇಬ್ಬರು ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಗಳು ಮಾತಾಡಿ ಒಂದು ಬಗೆಹರಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಂಥದನ್ನು ನೆಗೋಷಿಯೇಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. Okay, the have with the client can be successful or not. So negotiation is a strategic decision that resolve any issues in a way that both the parties find acceptable. ಇಬ್ಬರು ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡಿಸಿ ಆ ಒಂದು ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಅಥವಾ ಯಾವುದೇ ಇದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ಇಬ್ಬರು ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ಅದನ್ನು ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಇಬ್ಬರು ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಗಳು ಅಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಟಬಲ್ ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನೆಗೋಷಿಯೇಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. The process of discussing something with someone in order to reach an agreement with them. So it is known as a negotiation. Characteristics of negotiation. A specific kind of communication should be there between the people, between both the parties, and interpersonal skill also should be there, and parties have shared on opposed interests result in win-win arguments that is in the best interest of both the parties. So they have to follow these characteristics and they have to enter into the negotiation. The stages of negotiation. First one, preparation and planning. Second one, definition of ground rules. Third one, clarification and justification. Fourth one, bargaining and problem solving. Fifth one, closure and implementance. There are the 5 stages of negotiation. We'll discuss one by one. Preparation and planning. It is the first stage or first step in the negotiation process. Here both the parties will organize and accumulate the information necessary to have any effective negotiation. For example, Ninja Corporation and Wet Paint business both need to prepare fully for the negotiation. So before any negotiation takes place, a decision need to be taken as to when and where our meeting will take place to discuss the problems. So ಒಂದು ನೆಗೋಷಿಯೇಷನ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರಿಪರೇಷನ್ ಪ್ಲಾನಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಯಾವಾಗ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಏನನ್ನ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಮೀಟಿಂಗಲ್ಲಿ, ಆ ಥರ ಒಂದನ್ನು ಫಸ್ಟೇ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾನ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಮಾತ್ರನೇ ನೆಗೋಷಿಯೇಷನ್ನ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗೋದು. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್, ಡೆಫಿನೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ರೂಲ್ಸ್. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಇನ್ ದ ನೆಗೋಷಿಯೇಷನ್. ಇಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಫಾಲೋ ದ ರೂಲ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್ಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಎಸ್ಟಾಬ್ಲಿಷ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾನ್ಡ್ ನೆಗೋಷಿಯೇಷನ್. ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್, individuals or members of each side put forward the case as to their C. That is, they should understanding of a situation. Key skills during this stage includes questioning, listening and clarifying. Third point, clarification, goals or justification. This position of both the parties are discussed at the length. From the discussion, the goals, interest or viewpoint of both the side of the disagreement need to be clarified. It is helpful to list those factors in order to priority. Though this clarification, it is often possible to identify and some common grounds. It is an essential part of negotiation. If any misunderstanding or like to problems and barriers. Next point, bargaining and problem solving. In this stage, there are focuses on what is termed a win-win outcome where both the side feels they have gained something positive through the process of negotiation, and both the side feels their point of view has been taken into consideration. ಈಗಿನ ಸಿಚುವೇಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಕೋವಿಡ್-19 ಈಗ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಮತ್ತು ಅದರ್ ಕಂಟ್ರೀಸು ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ನೆಗೋಷಿಯೇಷಬಲ್ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋ ಒಂದು ಸೋರ್ಸಸ್ನ ಅವ್ರು ತಗೊಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಹೈಡ್ರೋಆಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಲೋರಿನ್ ಒಂದು ಟ್ಯಾಬ್ಲೆಟ್ನ ನೆಗೋಷಿಯೇಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಾವು ಈಗ ಆ ಟ್ಯಾಬ್ಲೆಟ್ನ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 5th ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್, ಕ್ಲೋಜರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟೇಷನ್. Arguments. It can be achieved once understanding of both the side point view and interests. Have you considered any arguments needs to be made perfectly or clear? Implementation, a course of action for the agreement. A course of action has to be implementation through it decision. Finally, we'll conclude the topic. In every negotiation, there is those important topics that should be taken, such as the culture of both the parties, terms, and the nature of negotiation to engage, knowing steps to be undertaken, and process based on the culture. It is also important to firm and also reform so that statement should be in the good sense.